Day Trading Success Checklist 2022, number 7. When you need to be in cash, frequent. As of January 8th, 56+% cash. Follow your checklist. If you've got a checklist, follow it. And the reason I made this checklist last year was I wanted to follow when and how I made money. And number 7 out of 9 checklist items was a key thing. Get it completely in cash and do it frequently. Here we go with the benchmarks week to date, first year of 2022. It's all red. MES, S&P Micros almost 2% down. M2K, Russell 2000 minus 3.01. And Bitcoin, this has got a lot of crypto holders, worried hodlers, minus 10.33%. Whether you invest or you trade, this is not a great start to the new year. And of course, the news is the Fed officially, with the FOMC minutes released on Wednesday, took the punch bowl away. So let's go to the charts next. Let's look at the two charts for digital futures Emicro trading. S&P 500 closed below here, the middle Bollinger, bearish. So on the 24-hour chart, it's not where I look at my trade setups, but I just like to look at location. This does not bode well for bulls because the scene of the crime here was 47.66. So that's where this line in the sand, and you could see this bar here on Wednesday after the FOMC minutes handed down the decision. It was just decidedly going all the way down, closed below the mid. The next day we can't get above it. Again, close below and ending the week below the mid. So not looking real great here. On the Russell, that's where I made the trades for the new year, and I will continue to have this as my favorite. I will be shorting all the time. I can't see a time where I want to be long at this point with the monetary policy the way it is, at least for the first 90 days of the year. So any good setups that I can find, they will be shorts, or I will be in cash or short. That's it for 2022. Game plan bias for at least the first 90 days. You can see the mid Bollinger's been violated on Friday. We never, again, same thing with Wednesday, sharply lower, and we held below the mid. And the RSIs, let's look at them. Russell 2000, 47, that's not oversold. And the S&P 500, 50, none of these are oversold. This could go a lot lower, folks, but am I saying to get short? No, I'm not. I'm in cash. The idea here is get in, get out, and in a different market, the narrative has changed, and it's time to recognize cash is going to be a lot more of your friend most of the time. And when you do get a setup, I'm just saying, I'm not going to be a bull here in the way the things are going because of the rug pull or the punch bowl takeaway from the Fed. That is it. Let's go to Bitcoin. That's the big story. Okay, so here's the Bitcoin 24-hour chart. I mentioned before with the futures going into the weekend, 100% cash. Here, full disclosure, fully long, minority allocation compared to the futures, but again, that allocation is still on the long side here with a low RSI at 28 and a lower Bollinger Band ride here. We've got 3 bars, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is a little Saturday green here, but nothing bullish looking right now. Let's feature here the 2 anchored VWAPs from 2021 and 2022 with this red arrow. Prices definitely below the 44,351 that we need to recapture. I do think we're going to get that back in short order, but right now, not looking good. The next leg up after we've conquered the January 1 anchored VWAPs is going to be the mid-Bollinger. And the mid-Bollinger Band is real important because that's real near the crash candle. Where's the crash candle? That is December 4th, where we went from 53 to 42, and we did it like in seconds. It felt like it just was amazing. So if it printed there, now we've traded there. So let's see how it works here in the coming days, weeks. But as I mentioned, I am long. I'm supposed to be day trading Bitcoin, and I didn't do it because I really thought the pivot here couldn't resist going with the lower Bollinger Band and being a holdler just for a little bit. And my first points where I'm looking to scale out of this long will be in these zones that I pointed out earlier. That's all for now. Take care. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Aloha.